In this video, I'll walk you through Google Flow Storyboard Studio, a powerful AI studio that lets you create a storyboard just from a simple idea. Guys, if this excites you, go ahead and like the video, smash the subscribe button, and let's do this together and follow along. And this is going to be done in some minutes. So guys, we start first by opening to our Google Flow AI. You're going to see here Google Flow FX. This is it, Google Flow Labs FX, and you go ahead and click it. Of course, you're going to sign up if you don't have an account with them, and if you already have an account, you're going to sign in to the platform. You're going to see the first welcome Canva, okay, that shows you the welcome page of the Google Flow AI. So I already have 50 daily credits because every time you log in, you have 50 daily credit that refreshes every single day. Okay, that is not the essence why we are here. So you're going to go ahead and click this new project. Once you click the new project, it will open you up to this blank interface that looks this way. Okay, don't panic, and when you look around, you're going to see all of this, and look down here, you're going to see the agent feature. Guys, follow along and I'll show you how to create your complete storyboard. Okay, so come down here, you want to see tools. Where you have tools, scroll down to where we have prompting. Now you see prompting, right? Yes. So where we are interested, what we are interested in is the storyboard studio. The storyboard studio is here. It's right here. Go ahead and open it, and it will take you to the new interface that gives you options. Welcome to Story Studio. The next thing is choose your story style. So do you want realistic? Do you want 3D? Do you want charcoal? Do you want, realistic concept sketch? So for me, I'm going to go with 3D animation. Okay. Once you click that, you get started. Now, the moment you are here, you see you have scripts where you will have to describe your story. Write your story, your script, or prompt story ideas below. Okay. And number 2 is the asset, and number 3 is the storyboard. So the first step is create your script, your story. So I'll head over to ChatGPT where I already have all my prompts. Okay, I'm going to give a simple story, and the story says create a 15-second Pixar 3D style. Let's zoom. Okay, 3D animated short featuring Google Gaga. So if you are familiar with this, you actually love the story. So I gave my simple prompt, right? And I go ahead and hit send. So guys, you see Google Gaga, the Bunny Brigger. As well, from everything from the beginning to the end. Now this is a scene. It has given us all the scenes, and this is a dialogue. It has actually given us all the dialogue and the transitions involved. It has given us the transitions still inside here. So after that, what we are going to do is assets. So it's going to automatically generate our assets. Okay, I love this because this is mind-blowing. This is actually, from scripting, just give a simple script, simple story, and you open this asset, and everything, all the characters that are involved, auto-fill characters. It will auto-fill the characters that are involved. Now you click that auto-fill characters. For the Google Gaga, it will fill up the character. Watch what is going to happen. And we have the bunny, see, and it's generating the image to auto-fill the character. It understands the character, the script, the prompt, the right prompting. That is a visual description. It understands the clothing and accessories. It understands everything. Guys, this is mind-blowing. So if you are into storytelling, you want to start your channel, cinematic videos, 3D animation, this is an incredible tool for you to start using. See my characters, they are all filled up. You can see the consistency, right? And it has given me the bunny style. My bunny, this is Google Gaga, this is bunny, and it has given me the baby bunnies. Okay, now this enables you to have consistency in your characters across all the scenes. Do you understand? Now once you are done with the character, you come down, you're going to see locations. You click on the auto fill locations, you go down, you click on the auto probes. Okay, and this is it. This is how you use this tool. You click on all of it to auto fill everything. Beautiful. So this is our location. Everything is set. Now the location, let's see what our main major character is. Click on it. You see Google Gaga is a 3 layers. The accessories, this is the accessories. Okay, so guys, this is incredibly insane, clothing and accessories. And you go down, you're going to see our locations. It has given us the description of our time of the day, night, as indicated by the rain signal. It has given us the description, visual description, and the location name is Neon Alleyway. Awesome. And then it has given us the props. This is beautiful. Description, and so you can see the consistency in the character. It has given us the dumpling, and of course, see the description here. Tiny snacks. Okay, this is beautiful. So guys, this is how you use this. Then you head over to Storyboard. You're going to see autofill scene, and you're going to click on it, and we have 6 frames. Guys, this is beautiful. So we have our scene 1 ready, right? So you see it has given us, guys, imagine the consistency. So you can view the full screen here. You see the consistency, beautiful. And you can use this to check the next one. This is beautiful, guys. You can see the images. Our bunny is here. Look at our props, the consistency, exactly the same image that was generated by the platform. You see the lightings, the environment, and the same character. You see, this is one of the problems that has been solved for content creators who are into generating videos with AI. You know, some scenes will carry a different character, another scene a different character. You can see the same hairstyle, the same color, the same shoes. And if you see the scene 1, the same everything, facial expression, even the proofs that she's carrying. You can see the consistency is just there. This is beautiful. The image character remains the same, the proofs and everything. Okay, guys, this is amazing. And this is our little bit. This is our little babies, our baby bunny. Guys, it's insane, guys. Consistency, remember, that is what makes your video stands out. So start using Google Flow Storyboard Studio today. Let me know what you think about this particular feature in the comment section of this video. Okay, look at it. This is beautiful. The fluffy surrounding, the call for family. This is amazing, guys. When you are done with the scene 1, scene 2, you just autofill the scene, and it's going to give us three images, which is our biscuit. You can see the consistency in our biscuit. See our biscuits that is here on the table. You see our Google Gaga is here, our bunny and our baby bunnies. This is how you use Google Flow Studio Storyboard to generate your stories without having to miss any scene. Consistency. This is beautiful, guys. Let me know what you think about this feature in the comment section of this video. This is what I want to show you in today's video. So guys, let me know what you think about this Google Flow storyboard, and drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. If you want me to animate this storyboard, just let me know, animate in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one.